I'm back again with another video. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I have a mic on, but the children are out playing. They're having a good time, screaming, yelling, and running. So I apologize for that. Another thing is I wanted to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. It's been so nice and kind and kind of overwhelming. I'm just here to have fun. I'm not here to make $1 million or be a movie star or a YouTuber star, whatever you want to call it. I'm here to have fun, try to bring entertainment or good content for you guys. So I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos all the time. So thank you again. But today, right now, we're getting ready to go to the shop. I haven't been to the shop ever. It's a new shop, so I haven't been there. So I guess we'll see what's there and what's going on. So let's get going. Well, we're here at the shop, and the thing that I'm holding on to here is a dome. Actually, it's going to be used in a restaurant, but it's made very sturdy. With if you get up close, you can see that they use rebar, what we call rebar in the States. And of course this piping. But what's going to go inside of this thing is like a love seat, like a 2 or 3 seater, and it's going to go in a restaurant. So it's going to be quite unique. You would go to the restaurant, sit inside of this dome, and have dinner, lunch, whatever. So I'm not sure where the restaurant's going to be, but is it in Nairobi or Mombasa?
Mombasa.
It's going to Mombasa. Mombasa's pretty far away. It's a coastal city. So they'll be transported to Mombasa. Okay, here, these guys are security.
Yes.
They are the security here at Akaya, where I stay. They do not let anyone in the gate unless Oscar or me say it's okay.
Right.
No one. They're good guys.
Yes.
Yes.
When you go back to the States, friends will be girlfriend.
I have to find him a girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
When I go back to the States.
Exactly.
So do you have a preference? Old, young, black, white?
Old, white.
Old?
Yeah, that's my preference.
Old and white.
Yeah, old and white.
Okay, I'm looking for it.
Yeah. See? Oh, just do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will.